Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. Um, I just wanted to go over some probability interview questions because I recently did a YouTube video review on Edureka 10-hour data science course, and basically what happened was I asked some probability questions, and I didn't know the answers to those questions, so I decided I would look them up and see. So they gave 3 probability questions, and I would like to go over the answers that I looked up on the internet. The first question was, in any 15-minute interval, there is a 20% probability that you will see at least one shooting star. What is the probability that you see at least one shooting star in the period of an hour? So probability is 0.2, time is 15, shooting star is 1, and individual probability 0 is 0.8. And so individual probability 0 means a probability that you won't see a shooting star. So individual probability 0 equals total individual probability 0 equals individual probability 0 times individual probability 0 times individual probability 0 times individual probability 0. So that's basically individual probability 0 to the 4th power. But for some reason, whenever I was doing this on Python, I couldn't get it to work on the 4th power, so I just did it that way because I couldn't get it to work. But if you're able to get it to work on the 4th power, then feel free. So then you calculate, then you print total probability of not seeing a shooting star, and that's total individual probability 0, and that is 0.40960. And then you print total probability of seeing one shooting star in an hour, and so that's 1 minus total individual probability 0. So 1 minus 0.4096 is 0.59039999. So that's your answer, and that was what I looked up on the internet. So that's the answer to that interview question. So if you go on a data science interview and they ask you that question, then you're able to answer that question. The next one is, how can you generate a random number between 1 and 7 with only one die? So this is the answer that I looked up on the internet, and it doesn't have any Python programming in it. Any die has 6 sides from 1 to 6. There is no way to get 7 equal outcomes from a single round of a die. If we roll the die twice and consider the event of 2 rolls, we now have 36 different outcomes. To get our 7 equal outcomes, we have to reduce this 36 to a number divisible by 7. We can thus consider only 35 outcomes and prohibit the other one. A simple scenario can be to exclude the combination 6, 6, i.e. to roll the die again if 6 appears twice. All the remaining combinations from 1, 1 till 6, 5 can be divided into 7 parts of 5 each. This way, all the 7 sets of outcomes are equally likely. So that was the answer that I looked up on the internet. So if you get asked that question, you know the answer to it. The next question we have is, a certain couple tells you that they have 2 children, at least one of which is a girl. What is the probability they have 2 girls? So, So you got these. This is the configurations that you can have. You can have a boy and a boy, so that's going to be 0. There's not any possibility you can have that. You have a boy and a girl, that's 1 possibility. A girl and a boy, that's 1 possibility. And a girl and a girl, that's 1 possibility. But what you want to have is the probability of a girl and a girl. So the total outcome is boy girl plus girl boy plus girl girl. So that's going to be 3. So prob 2 girls equals girl girl over total outcome. So that's going to be 1 over 3. So print probability, the couple has 2 girls. So it's going to be probability 2 girls. And so it's going to be 33% or 1/3. So that's the answer to that question. So if you get that question in an interview, at least you know the answer to it. The next one is a jar has 1,000 coins, of which 99 are fair and 1 is double-headed. Pick a coin at random and toss it 10 times. Given you see 10 heads, what is the probability the next toss of that coin is also a head? So I said total coins equals 1,000, fair coins equals 999, double head equals 1. So total probability equals, and I had to look this up and it was really difficult because you can use Bayes' theorem to solve it, but unfortunately I haven't taken a probabilities course. I know I need to take a probabilities course. So 1/2 times 1 equals 1/2. And 1/2 times 1/2 equals a half of a half. So that's going to be 0.25. So print total probability. Next coin toss will be a head, and you total probability head, and that's 0.75. And so there's other ways that you can solve this. You can solve it using the Bayes' theorem, but I just selected this outcome because it was the easiest for me to understand, and I know that I need to take a probability class, which I've never taken a probability class. So I need to take one so I can learn all of these things. So I would like to thank my viewers for watching this video on interview questions on probability. I would like to thank my viewers for subscribing to my channel and supporting my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.